How can I attract consistent customers? I made mention of this, that one of the challenges that you need to fix once you really want to start making money is to build a framework that will keep attracting people consistently. It's not just about you showing up, it's about attracting people. You see, when people come to you, it is easier to sell to them than when you go to meet people and you sell to them. Come on, guys. If you got that, type in yes, 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 yes. So when people come to you and say, I need a wellness solution, my backache has been disturbing me for the past 6 years, and what can I start using? It is more easier, okay, than you going to tell people that, oh, you have backache, you need to use this, you need to use this. Because the person that is coming to meet you is in pain. He's struggling, he has a challenge. He wants to be able to fix that challenge. But when you're going to meet them, they will be thinking that you are after their money. And you see, I tell people, when it comes to business, you must not be a hunter. Because once you show yourself as a hunter, the person you are talking to will bring out his defensive shield and will form to be a prey. And what does prey do to hunter? They run away. And that's why a lot of you try calling people over and over again, and they eventually don't pick your call, not because they don't want what you are selling or they don't understand what you're selling, but they just don't get it. That what is happening? They just don't get it. They don't get it. They feel that you are after their money. And that is why I had to pay for a coaching in 2022. That's one of the most expensive training. Okay, I think the most expensive training I've gone for is the one this year. But in 2021, that was my first expensive training. And the cost was $4,300. And it was a 50% discount. So the actual cost was about $7,000. Then I was given a 50% discount by one of my amazing role model, you know, Mr. John, and I just discovered what was missing. And because I understood that if his model can work in US, his model can work anywhere in the world. And that's why I'm not ashamed to charge anybody coaching fee or mentorship fee. I charge you well because I also pay for it. So I prefer that I build a framework that can allow people come to me. And that is why doctors will keep making money. Because doctors will not put vacancy outside or say, come and market to you. But an average person will come. Oh, who am I helping already? If I'm helping you already, type in I'm learning, I'm learning, I'm learning. If I'm helping you already, type in I'm learning. So an average person that will come to doctor will come with pain, will come with challenge, will come and say, sir, I could not sleep well. Then the doctor will tell you to go and run a test. Then from there, the doctor gives you solution. So you want to sit down and question your workflow process, your attraction model, that what do I need to do that people will be the one coming to me and not me going to them. Now, whenever you are going to them, it's going to be really, really hard for you to penetrate. So you want to build a framework that will allow people to always come to you. And a good example is build uh, 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 build a diagnostic solutions for your brand. Build a diagnostic solution for your brand. 5 mistakes I made before starting my wellness business. 20 mistakes, 20 things that kills male organ. Five things that kills female organ. When you are done with that, you tell them, book a section. They will naturally come because it is the people that now need it that will come. And that's another cheat code for Google. Google will not come market to you. You will be the one. And when you go to Google and you search, the people that are in that industry will now market to you because that is what you are searching for. So you want to build a reputable marketing system that attracts the people. Number 2, you want to build an ideal customer group where you can you can keep nurturing them. You want to be able to know what they are going through. I just said that to you this evening, that when I'm done with this training, all of you in any industry, send me a mail, and I'm going to be adding your question to this question. If God permits me, I might extend it till further months instead of ending it in May, But basically, that's how it's done. So you want to sit down and say, how can I attract investors? What are investors looking for? A lot of time we focus on more on what solution can I build that can give me money. Some solutions could just be an attraction solution. Do you all know that Google does not make money from you searching? Oh, if you got that, type in I hear. If you got that, type in I hear. Google does not have Google search, does not make any money from searching. But what Google does is that they built a system that an average, okay, so there's 8.6 billion people that search on Google. 8.6 billion people that search on Google. If 8.6 billion people come to Google and search, the rule of the game is 1 to 5% we do business with them. That's the secret. So you want to begin to rework your workflow, that you just don't want to market, buy this, buy that, buy this. Now, if you do that, does that make you poor or does that make you not smart? No, it only makes you know it. You are only building a system that will give you money. You just want to make cash flow and go. But if you want to get repeatable cash flow, no, you must think outside the box beyond just giving solution. So I said in that session that you use email, create predictable offers like subscription packages, and that's what it is. A lot of us are on Google Drive here now. We pay Google every month, but we never access. A lot of us did not access Google Drive because we wanted Google Drive. It was because we started using Google Search. We now move into Gmail. Then from Gmail, they offer us what? Storage. So you want to be able to understand the full supply chain of your industry and know where you can go and stand and leverage and make good money for yourself, so that you will not just be stretching yourself. And one of the disadvantages of going everywhere without you having an attraction model or an attraction system for you is that you will just be tired. You'll be working very, very hard and closing less. Okay? I had an onboarding session with somebody that just paid for my mentorship this evening. And I'm not the one that marketed the guy. The guy said he has watched almost all my YouTube videos. That even when he wanted to start, the wife was saying, you are learning, you are just learning, you are just learning, you are just learning. When he told the wife that he was going to pay for my mentorship, the wife said, you just waste your money. But he said that he has watched my video to the level that he feels that the knowledge is too much. He needs to execute. So, and he reached out to me. And I did what? My team attended to him and he made payment and I had my session with him. Now, I will not be here, and be saying that I'm marketing you that you should come and do. If a lot of you don't even do my coaching program, I'm fine. But you just discover that is what is missing in your business. You just say, oh, no, I think Mr. Mayowa or Dr. Mayowa need to just help me once and for all. So this is how to attract you. You create workflows that can bring you into the attraction mode. Good.